Good morning, students. It's time for English. Today, we will meet with article brothers. A and A and N are used with one person, one place, one animal, and one thing. Okay. A is used with words that start with consonants. For example, a bus, a cow, a girl, a zoo. And N is used with words that start with vowels like an umbrella, an octopus, an inkpot, and an elephant. Now, try to use A and N with thing around you. So, we will meet in our next class. Till then, practice. Okay, bye bye.